Hello friends, day 70 and I'm cream crackered. Only done 16 miles today and half a Snowdon, but the paths after the Glen Affric Youth Hostel have been almost non-existent and extremely boggy, so very difficult to negotiate. I did meet some people on the trail today. I met a group of youngsters doing their DOE, the Duke of Edinburgh Award, and I also met another chap, John from Edinburgh, and they were all headed for the Glen Affric Youth Hostel. I passed by there a bit early to stop, and probably a good thing given how long it's taken me to get from there to where I am now. I took some pictures of the bog just so that you can see what I'm talking about, but it took ages. I was down to less than 1 mile an hour. And then, after all that, there was the most horrendous path coming down from the most beautiful waterfall, and I took a bit of video of that as well so you can see what that was like. I can't believe actually allowed to have a path like that. It's almost suicidal. Anyway, I survived, so see you on the trail. This is sphagnum moss, which makes the most comfortable picnic chair you'll ever find. It's also very good for treating minor wounds, like the one I inflicted on myself yesterday. And if you take a little handful, it makes the most luxurious toilet paper. Isn't nature wonderful? I've had some pretty spectacular rooms with a view on this trip so far, but you know what? I think this is the best so far. I can't imagine a better view than that to wake up to in the morning.